Hey guys, Dan here from Tech Security Reviews. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove bloatware from a HP laptop. Now this process also works on other laptops, Acer, Asus, Lenovo, Dell or any other leading manufacturer. We'll start with what is bloatware. So bloatware is basically software that comes pre-installed on a purchased laptop that you may or may not be interested in using. It's usually a trial of software. For example, HP might be in partnership with Norton Security. As a part of that, they may include a 30-day trial of Norton on their laptops. Now, it does vary depending on laptop model and the brand, but usually it's either security software that comes as bloatware, maybe system optimizer, or a driver update software, and usually there's 3 or 4 and sometimes up to 15 installed on each computer. So to remove the bloatware, I'm going to use a program called Revo Uninstaller. The reason I'm going to use this rather than just removing them through the Windows uninstaller is that the Revo Uninstaller actually uninstalls the software and then does a scan to find any leftover files linked to that program, and we can delete them as well. So to start with, we'll just open up the web browser and we'll head over to Revo Uninstaller, RevoUninstaller.com, and we're going to download the portable version because we only need it for a few minutes. So we'll go free download on portable, and I'm going to save that file, and then we will open the folder, and it comes as a zip file, so we'll right click it and extract the file here. And then we give them our Revo Uninstaller portable folder. From there we can run the software. So the Revo Uninstaller, I'm going to run it as an admin. And there's some terms and conditions. We just press OK through that, and then we'll be greeted with a list of all the programs currently installed on the computer. Now this is a HP laptop I just purchased yesterday. So as you can see here, there's a lot of HP stuff included that I'm probably not going to need. HP documentation, I know I'm not going to need that. HP Jumpstart, I never intend on using that, so I'm going to remove that. Notifications, these are drivers, so I'm not going to touch any of that. But some of these HP software up the top. Alright, so what we do is we'll come up here to the first one we want to remove, which is the documentation program. I'm going to right click and press uninstall. First thing it'll do is create a system restore point for us. That way if we uninstall the wrong program or something happens, we can revert back to it. Now that's actually removed the HP documentation instantly almost for us, which is great. So now what we need to do is scan. After the program uninstaller has finished, press the scan button to start scanning for leftover files. I always set the scanning mode to moderate, and we press scan, and it'll see if there's any leftover files. Okay, on this particular case, Revo Uninstaller hasn't found any leftover items, which is great. Alright, let's go down to HP Jumpstart Launcher. We're going to uninstall that as well. Okay, it's done that and uninstalled instantly for us again. Scan for leftovers. Okay, and in this case it's found some leftover files. So you can see some registry items through here. Alright, so what we do is select them all with a tick and press delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, I am. it's also found some leftover files in the programs folder. So I'll select those, select all, you've got your tick, and press delete. Yes, I'm sure. Great, and that's basically it. You follow through that process through all the programs you want to remove, and then you can close out of Revo Uninstaller, and you can actually delete Revo Uninstaller Portable as well, so you haven't got that left on your computer. So it's a really simple and quick way to remove any bloatware from a new laptop. And if you need any help, please do jump over to techsecurityreviews.com and contact me. I'm happy to assist you with anything you need there with uninstalling bloatware. If you do like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel if you want more technology security info. Thanks for watching.